Okay, if you want to download OpenOffice, you need to go to OpenOffice official website. Okay, OpenOffice. Okay, please type OpenOffice. And then please go to OpenOffice. You can go directly. Now you are here. Okay, you can choose your Windows operating system. Okay, if you use the Linux, you just need to choose Linux. Okay, now please choose, and then you can choose the English or other language packs. Okay, full installation may include a lot of language packs. Okay, for me this only English language patch. You can choose the version. This is the update version 4.1.13. you can click the download, and then you need to wait for a few minutes. Okay, few seconds. Now Parchit is downloading. Okay, you can check by right clicks. You can check where is the folder. Okay, now my folder is here. Please right click, select and right click run as administrator. Okay, I'll show again. Please select and then run as administrator. Please do yes. Please click, and then next and back. You need to and back. Okay, continue space required computing, sorry. Okay, next install. I've already installed, but you can install. This may take several minutes, so you need to wait for until finished. And then you can click finished. And then you can use your OpenOffice. Thanks for watching.